This is my new helicopter in pieces, and I was flying it yesterday, hit the ground too hard and broke the landing gear. But I was given another helicopter which is now in pieces. Okay, there's a couple of spare rotors, and I intend to fit this landing gear to this one. Need a little bit of adjustment, but should be okay. And I've also got a spare battery, and that's the front end there, and a couple of spare blades, although they're white. Okay, so some spare parts. A neighbour a few doors up, he gave me this, so next couple of days it'll be fixed. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that the landing gear, because till I learn it properly, I'm obviously hitting the ground too hard, so I'm going to make a better way of it landing without smashing the thing to pieces. I went back to the shop this morning. It was about as good as a spare dick at a wedding, so I won't be going back there, but useless. I'll give more details of that place later, where not to go. But it was next to useless. Should have known better. Never mind. Catch you further along the video when we get it more back to... Okay, I've now replaced this undercarriage, see that? And redid the struts at the back. Had to re-drill and reposition all that. Now all we've got to do is tighten these screws up to adjust the landing gear part, and then after that I'm going to make a system so that with some foam or some special splayed out legs to stop it breaking the undercarriage. But the previous undercarriage was total rubbish. This is a nice strong one. Alright, after about an hour's work, I've now repaired this helicopter. There's still a bit here that's broke off, but I'll make some arrangement out with the glue gun. Apart from that, it's fully operational and repaired. So no thanks to the shop in Debworth Road, Windsor, for poor service. I've now fixed it, and thanks to my neighbour who gave me the spare copter for spares. And I've got a spare battery out of it as well, and other parts. Right, it's all finished. I've still got to make the thing so when it lands, I'll have to work that out. But they wanted £20 for a special thing with these sponge balls on the end. £20. The whole helicopter was only 80, and you got all this technology, so God knows what they're taking the piss out of. Anyway, I've fixed that there where it broke on the side, so it's definitely all ready to go now. Job. Alright, this is the previous undercarriage. It's weak, it's inadequate, poor design. So, and these are Century, this is a Century model and F series, and I think it is total crap, the landing gear. This other cheaper model is far superior.